how you can remove highlight from a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Then, you will see some text is already highlighted. To remove just one highlight, click on the highlighted text with your mouse. A small trash bin icon will pop up. Then, click on that trash bin and the highlight disappears. Now, if you want to remove many highlights at once, click on the comment icon on the right side. Once the sidebar opens, it shows all highlights in your document. Then, click on the first comment, hold Shift, and click on the last comment. This will select them all. Then, right-click on the selection and choose Delete. And just like that, all highlights are removed. Once your highlights are gone, you can save the file and share it without highlighting. And that's it. That's how you can remove highlight from a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat.